Today, we will talk about Virtual Assistant VIP. Easy steps to remote assistance riches. As companies around the world begin to embrace remote working, virtual assistants have never been more in demand. The role of virtual assistants has transcended mere administrative support to become a key player in the global workforce. This comprehensive exploration dives into the realm of virtual assistants, uncovering the nuances of this dynamic field and presenting a roadmap for those seeking to elevate themselves to the status of virtual assistant VIPs, unlocking the potential for remote assistance riches. The evolution of virtual assistants. The concept of virtual assistants has evolved significantly from its origins as a support role. Today, virtual assistants are indispensable to businesses and entrepreneurs, providing a wide array of services ranging from administrative tasks to specialized functions like social media management, customer support, and even complex project coordination. The evolution of technology, especially artificial intelligence, has further expanded the capabilities and opportunities within the virtual assistance landscape. Defining the virtual assistant VIP. A virtual assistant VIP is not just a support professional. They are strategic partners who bring immense value to the businesses they serve. These individuals go beyond routine tasks, leveraging their skills, expertise, and innovative thinking to contribute to the growth and success of their clients. The journey to becoming a virtual assistant VIP involves mastering various aspects, from technical skills to effective communication and business acumen. The skill set of a virtual assistant VIP. To ascend to the status of a virtual assistant VIP, individuals must cultivate a diverse and robust skill set. Proficiency in administrative tasks, time management, and communication is foundational. Additionally, technical skills, such as familiarity with productivity tools, social media platforms, and project management software, are crucial. The ability to adapt to evolving technologies and stay updated on industry trends sets virtual assistant VIPs apart. Establishing your virtual assistant brand. Creating a strong personal brand is integral to success in the virtual assistance realm. This involves crafting a compelling online presence, including a professional website, a polished portfolio showcasing skills and achievements, and active engagement on relevant social media platforms. Building a personal brand instills confidence in potential clients and positions the virtual assistant VIP as a credible and reliable partner. Networking and building relationships. Networking plays a pivotal role in the journey of a virtual assistant VIP. Engaging with online communities, attending virtual events, and connecting with professionals in related fields contribute to a robust professional network. Building genuine relationships fosters collaboration opportunities, referrals, and a supportive community, essential elements in the competitive landscape of virtual assistants. Navigating virtual assistance platforms. Numerous platforms facilitate the connection between virtual assistants and clients seeking their services. Understanding the dynamics of popular platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and virtual assistant-specific networks is crucial. Effectively creating profiles, bidding for projects, and delivering high-quality work on these platforms can propel a virtual assistant VIP towards financial success and industry recognition. Pricing strategies for virtual assistant services. Determining the right pricing strategy is a nuanced aspect of virtual assistants. Virtual assistant VIPs must consider factors such as their skill level, the complexity of tasks, market demand, and the value they bring to clients. Striking a balance between competitive pricing and fair compensation is essential for sustained success in the competitive virtual assistance market. Leveraging automation and technology. Technology and automation tools are valuable allies for virtual assistant VIPs. Integrating time-saving tools for routine tasks allows for a focus on high-value activities. Additionally, staying abreast of technological advancements in areas like artificial intelligence and machine learning ensures that virtual assistant VIPs remain at the forefront of efficiency and innovation. Case studies of virtual assistant success. Examining case studies of individuals who have ascended to the virtual assistant VIP status provides insights into the strategies and practices that lead to success. Real-world examples showcase the diverse paths individuals have taken to achieve financial prosperity and professional fulfillment in the realm of virtual assistants. The future landscape of virtual assistants. The future of virtual assistants holds exciting prospects. As businesses continue to embrace remote work and leverage digital technologies, the demand for virtual assistant VIPs is expected to rise. The potential integration of augmented reality and virtual reality technologies may open new dimensions for virtual assistants, creating opportunities for those who are adaptable and forward-thinking. The journey to becoming a virtual assistant VIP is a dynamic and rewarding one. By honing a diverse skill set, establishing a strong personal brand, and navigating the evolving landscape of virtual assistants, individuals can unlock the potential for remote assistance riches. As businesses increasingly recognize the strategic value of virtual assistants, those who position themselves as indispensable partners will not only thrive in the current digital landscape, but also contribute to shaping the future of remote work and professional collaboration. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.